Hi everyone, this is your girl Pauline from My Crafting Hut, coming to you with two more concepts. These might be the last two that I'm doing for Father's Day, and I just wanted to share it with you. So this one here has the slippers, the shoes that from the CVS. It has the cologne. It has a candle here. This is Bath and Body Works Norris soap. It also has the brown vanilla sugar scent room deodorizer. And I also have in here the, oh Lord, what you call this? Oh yeah, the Nobleman hand and body wipes. And I did get two of the bullet tumblers, and this one says best husband ever. So I was able to get two. This one, and the other one says the other one is for dad. So yeah, so just wanted to show this. I have in here also a pair of socks and a loofah. So this is what it looks like. I was going to wrap it now, but the bag is a 24 by 32, and I was going to pull it up and wrap it, but the bag wouldn't be big enough. So I'm going to have to wrap it another way. So I have one other one to show, and that is, okay, so this is the other one. I did wrap this from the top down. And this one here, pretty much the same concept, except that this one has the mandatory or mandatory set with the body wash, the cologne or perfume, and the massager. I also use the Nobleman face and body cleaning wipes, and it has a loofah. So up here it has a pair of socks. So that is the one for this concept. So yeah, so that's it for me for tonight. Like I said, I think this might be the last two that I do related directly to Father's Day. So tell me what you think about these concepts. You know, it's pretty much everyone's doing them in some form or the other, and I really like these bullet tumblers. I love the way they look. Oh yeah, this one says best dad ever. Yeah. So that's it. That's a wrap for tonight. So go ahead, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the like and hit the comment. If you're a returning subscriber, you know I truly, really appreciate you supporting your girl.